All right, welcome to your very first Google Slides life science assignment. This video is to show you how to complete an assignment on Google Slides and then submit it. So this first page, you'll see the video here, but since I'm currently recording it, it's blank. On the second slide here, we have the same cheat sheet that is hanging in my classroom. So this is just a reminder of how to fill in Punnett squares. This is a reminder of dominant versus recessive traits, heterozygous versus homozygous, and then also genotypes and phenotypes. If you need to look back at this, you can during this assignment. However, tomorrow I will not be allowing you to use this when you take your quiz. After that quiz, we're going to move on from Punnett squares because we need to get going with the rest of the curriculum. And if you would like to, you can take some notes on this, but that is up to you. Again, I can't control what you're using at home, so that is up to you to be the driven student to take those notes on your own. So, on the rest of the slides, we have one question per slide. There are 7 different questions, so not too many. You will get 1 point for correctly filling out the Punnett square and 1 point for answering the question on the right side of the slide correctly. So 14 points total for this assignment. Now, if I go to the very first question, you will read the directions on the left side in order to fill out the Punnett square. And when you're ready to fill in the letters, you can just click on these question marks here and type in the text box. So I haven't even read the instructions. I don't know that these are the right ones, but this is how you can do that. It should be very clear, capitals versus lower cases. And once you submit it, this is what I'll be able to see. Then I will also ask you to click here and type in your answer. So you can type into this text box, and I'll be able to see your answer there as well. If you forget these instructions, you can click on these 3 dots here and scroll into the notes at the bottom, and I have left a copy of the instructions for you there as well. It reminds you of the points for the scoring. Step 1, fill out the Punnett square using the information on the left side of the slide. Step 2, based on the completed Punnett square, answer the following question on the right side of the slide. Hint, click on the question marks and fill in the text box, and then also a reminder that cheat sheet is on slide number 2 of this presentation. Then, once you're finished, you will get to the very last slide here. This reminds you to submit your assignment in Google Classroom. Please do not share it with me. And then there will also be a little tutorial linked down below of how to submit things via Google Classroom if you do not remember how to. I have not made that video yet, but it will be here. Thanks and good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.